Hello everyone. Today let's learn the basic English conversation. Hi. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Maya. Where are you from? I am from Hyderabad. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. My favorite color is black. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3:15 p.m. It is 3:15 p.m. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? It's rainy. It's rainy. Which is your favorite season? Which is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. What time do you have your dinner? What time do you have your dinner? I have my dinner at 8 p.m. I have my dinner at 8 p.m. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? reading books, listening to music, and dancing. I like reading books, listening to music, and dancing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.